All right, welcome back, everybody. We're here with Chris Esparza at the Texas Throwdown 2021. He's showing us his Chevy Bel Air. He's going to tell us a little bit about it, and here we go.
I just recently got the car. It's a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Got the stock 383 stroker in it, crate engine. I just recently got it about 6 months ago. It's a very nice car. Got a lot of plans for it. Looking to put airbag system on it, redo the interior with a nice leather. We're dropping a big block in it the next month or two.
So you got it like this 6 months ago?
Yes, I bought it exactly how it is. 6 months.
So what has been done to it from the original that you know of?
The only thing I've done to it is I've dropped it, put a coilover suspension on it, dropped it, and everything else is as is. How I got it. We just ordered the suspension kit for it, and the big block, like I said, is coming in a couple weeks, so we'll have that in here pretty soon.
So what did it look like before the person you bought it from? What did they do?
It was pretty clean, just like this.
Oh, so is this original paint, original everything?
This is the way I got it originally from the owner I got it from. Yes.
Oh, okay. So it's not another car guy that modified anything.
No.
Wow, it looks like you did all this great work. It's like amazing.
When I got it, it was again the guy already had painted it. It had stock wheels on it. It was again, it was more original. I'm gonna take it to a different look, a more Restomod look.
What are your plans for it?
I'm gonna drop a big block 572 in it. After that, then we're gonna bag the car and put a nice suspension on it. Probably put some bigger wheels on it as well.
Nice. How about you gonna tint those windows?
Yeah, the windows are gonna be tinted. Yes.
Because that interior looks too nice to just let that sun ruin it.
Yeah, we're gonna tint the windows. Like I said, we're gonna modernize it a little bit. Step into a different look.
You gonna put a wing in the back?
No.
I'm just kidding.
Once we're done, look out for it next year. It's gonna be something totally different.
Yeah, we're gonna come back every year. This, like I said, is our inaugural event. So we're gonna try to get as many of these cars, see what they've gone from this year to last year, and make some new friends and get some more people to help join us and grow this car culture.
Nice, yeah.
Is there what kind of engine? Can we look at the engine?
Yeah, it's a crate engine, 383 stroker. We did the Holley EFI Sniper on it. Aftermarket pulley system. Has everything, AC, everything you need to be in Texas.
You really need that AC, except for this past winter, or that cold.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Now, what are you gonna do with this engine when you swap out for a bigger one?
We got a
I can give you my address.
Yeah, we got a 78 Malibu it's gonna be going into, and we're just gonna use it as stock clean roller.
That looks nice. Man, I appreciate your time, and this is a beautiful car. I can't wait to see this next year or whenever you get it done. You're in a car club?
No, just pure hobby.
Oh, wow. You're your own car club with all the cars you got. Yeah, how many cars total?
I have 4 here today.
No, total.
Total, I don't want to say that because my wife may see this. But yeah.
Allegedly, if you had this guess, and what was your hope?
8 or 9.
Oh, that's a good number. I got 7 guitars.
There you go.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
All right, thank you guys for watching. This is Chris Esparza here in Houston, at Texas Throwdown 2021. Check us out. Hit like, hit links, hit subscribe. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you out. See ya. Peace.